Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to create a schedule in General app. The General app, which was released with iOS 17.2, is a great way to keep a log of events, pictures, links and other media that you can look behind your iPhone's passcode. However, if you would like to improve your journal keeping consistency, here's how to recreate a schedule in the General app. After you enable the schedule feature, you can customize the time and days of the week in which you would like to remind it to write in the General app. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. On your iPhone, open settings, scroll down and go to General app. Tap on it, scroll down and then tap on Journaling schedule. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on. Next, tap the time to edit time of the day you would like to write in your journal. And then tap the days of the week you would like to write in your journal. And you are done. And the next step is turn on notification for journaling schedule. To turn on notifications for your journaling schedules, tap go to settings, scroll down and go to general, and then tap on notifications. Toggle on allow notifications. From here you can make additional edits to the notification style or tap general to return to the general settings menu and tap journaling schedule again. Choose which days you would like to receive general schedule notifications, and that's all there is to it. Now you will receive a reminder to write in the General app or that day at the time you set, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to create a schedule in the General app, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.